Question, have you ever checked if your keyboard is actually in tune? I know it sounds super basic, but it makes a huge difference when you're learning. If you're using an electric keyboard, check for a button labeled Tune or Pitch. Most keyboards let you adjust the tuning, and you'll want to make sure it's set to 440. That's the standard pitch, also called A440, and it keeps you aligned with everything else musically. If you're on an acoustic piano, just make sure it's been tuned recently. When your instrument is in tune, your ears get the right information, and that helps everything else go smoother in the lesson. So take a second and double check it. It might seem like a small thing, but trust me, it makes a big difference. That quick check goes a long way. Now that your keyboard's in tune, you're ready to start making music with confidence. So, I'll see you in the next lesson.